Are you trying to figure out how to price your jobs to make a bigger profit for your local service business? Great. In this video, I'm going to talk about pricing strategies that are proven to work so that your local service business, whether you are a lawn care business, a house cleaner, a construction, a handyman, so that you can make a profit on every job you do. Here are the pricing strategies that work for small businesses, are proven, and are going to help your business succeed, and you make some money for all that hard work you're doing. But first, why is this so critical to success? Well, the reason this matters so much is because too many small businesses fail because they're trying to win bids and get business, and then when they do it and they actually get the job, they can't make any money off of the jobs that they got because everybody's bid down the price and all these problems have arisen and unexpected costs have happened that mean that you don't get a profitable job done for your business and you can't make any money. So this is critical. We're going to dive into the actual strategies that are proven to work so that you can actually do a great job and make some money along the way. Let's get started. Okay, the first strategy is cost plus pricing. So what that means is it involves calculating the total cost of performing your service ahead of time. So include things like labor, materials, and any overhead or fixed costs of doing business, and then just add a markup percentage to ensure profit. It's straightforward and just ensures your costs are covered. So maybe you say, I take all my costs, and then I just add 30%. And if I do that every time, every job I do is profitable. It might not always be competitive or reflective of the perceived value for customers, but you know you're gonna make a profit. Tip number 2, market-based pricing. So this involves setting prices based on what competitors charge and what the market will bear. So this strategy requires that you research your competitors' prices and understand the market demand, and then position your services competitively and then work backwards. So if you know that's your price, then you set the cost according to what you know the price can bear in the market. Tip number 3 is value-based pricing. So this sets prices based on the perceived value of the services to the customer rather than the cost to deliver it. Now, this can allow for higher profit margins if customers believe the service offers superior value or benefits. So that's where things like branding come in. Check out some of the other videos to build a strong brand and so that customers know you're the best. When they think that, you can demand a higher price. That's a value-based price. Step 4 is hourly. This is one of the best approaches because you just charge customers based on the time spent performing the service. It's common in consulting and other types of contracting work. While it's straightforward and easy for customers to understand, it might not always capture the true value of the services, especially if you're really efficient at what you do. So just be careful of that. Tip 5 is flat rate pricing. So under this strategy, you set a single fixed price for a specific service, regardless of the time or resources used. It really simplifies billing and is easy for customers to understand, but you have to be really accurate about cost estimates to avoid losses when you charge the same thing every time for the same job. Number 6 is tiered pricing. So this is different levels of service at different price points. So this can cater to a broader range of customers with various buying habits and budget needs and encourages customers to choose higher tiers for better value and quality. Number 7 is package deals. So combine several services into a package for a single price that can attract customers looking for convenience and value. Packages can also encourage customers to purchase more services than they initially intended, and because you're lumping many services together, it's usually more profitable overall. Number 8 is membership or subscription pricing. So for recurring services like lawn care or cleaning, offering a subscription or membership can ensure for you a steady revenue and customer loyalty. Customers pay a regular fee for ongoing service, often at a discounted rate, but then you make more profit over time because you know you've got secured business. Next is dynamic prices. So prices adjusted based on demand, time of year, or other factors. This strategy can maximize your profits during peak demand periods, but requires careful management to avoid alienating customers because of frequent price changes. Last tip, number 10, think about the psychology of pricing. So setting prices just below a round number, $19.99 instead of $20, can make a price seem more attractive to customers. So this strategy leverages customer psychology to increase your sales. When you're selecting a pricing strategy, it's important to consider the cost structure, customer base, the competitive landscape, and your overall business goals. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like. We'd love to see you in more videos, because coming up next, we're going to keep talking about how to market your business and attract those customers so that they actually buy from you at those prices you set. We'll catch you in the next video.